smooth and misteryoso. Di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda pagka lang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream, baby. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Nahiwagan sila
Tina, ang wish ko sa'yo, good health, more birthdays to come, tsaka lagi mong pagbubutihan at magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos.
It can pass you by. It can be your road, a road once traveled.
Happy birthday, Athena. Wishing you all the best. Stay happy, mag-aral ka mabuti. Always follow your parents. God bless you.
Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes, you know. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You want more than you say, you know.
Tina, ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aral kang mabuti. Tuparin mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Nandito lang ako. Lagi mong tatandaan, ako ang #1 fan mo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Athena.
We love you.
Ito si Athena talaga, I think she is matured beyond her years. I'm sure paglaki mo, magagamit mo lahat na natutunan mo para maging successful ka. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tinay. So, wish ko lang na lumaki ka ng very healthy and very smart na kid. Lagi ka magpe-pray and always love your parents and always respect your parents. You know, yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I love you. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Mali mo si Atasha. Magpakabait ka. Love you.
Together, in this together.